about the how to read the numbers with the help of the numeration. So here two numerations we discussed. First one is Indian system, Indian place value of numeration, and international place value of numeration. You have to keep commas. First you have to recognize the places, after that you have to recognize the periods, after that according to the periods you have to put commas, after that commas you have to read the number, along the according to reading you have to write that. Okay, how you are reading, like that only you have to write with the spellings. And next we are going to discuss about the expanded form. Already we discussed about the number names, how to write the number, and I am going to explain the expanded form. So here expand, how to write the expanded form. I am going to take one example here. I am going to take 66 5 4 9 3 2 3 4. Here I took this number, this is 6-digit number. In this 6-digit number, first what we have to do? First we have to write the places. First we have to write the places. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds will become ones period. Thousands and 10,000s will become thousands period. This lakhs will become lakhs period. Here ones, tens, hundreds after you have to keep comma, thousands and 10,000s after you have to keep comma. Then you have to write the place values for each number. Place value for each number. Here what is the place value of 6 here? 6 is in lakhs place. So you have to write the 6 lakhs is equal to 6 lakhs, you have to write here. And next what is the place value of 5? What is the place of 5? 10,000's place. So that we have to write 5 in 10,000. That means 50,000. So 4 in thousands place, so you have to write 4 into 1,000. It will become 4,000. Next 9 in hundreds, 900. 3 in tens, 3 tens 30, you have to read like that, and 4 in ones, so it can write 4. So you have to write these place values with the using of addition symbol. So here I am going to write here 6 lakhs plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 4. So you have to follow this method to write the expanded form. Like this you have to write the expanded form. Okay, next I am going to explain. So 1 million is equal to how many lakhs are there? 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? So 1 million is equal to how many lakhs means first we have to write 1 million here. 1 million is equal to 1 million is equal to 1 in millions place. First when you are writing these numbers, you have to write the number for the number names means first you have to mention the places here. First ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. So here 1 is in millions place, remaining places you have to fill with zeros. So ones period after comma, thousands period after comma. 1 million is like this, you have to write there 1 million. So here in 1 million how many lakhs are there? So you have to write the copy this number again, and you have to put the write the places according to the Indian system. Here question is given in international system, but you have to write this this number in you have to convert this number in Indian system, then you have to write the how many lakhs in that number. So first I am going to copy this number again, without commas you have to copy. Here 3 zeros and here 3 zeros, 6 zeros are there, one after 6 zeros are there, and here again you have to write the places ones, tens, hundreds, ones period, thousands, 10,000s, this thousands period after comma, and lakhs, 10 lakhs in lakhs period. Here in lakhs period, how many numbers are there? 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs, this is the when, here 10 lakhs. So 10, how many lakhs are there in 1 million means? In 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. You have to write like that. Listen, lakhs after, you have to cut this number after lakhs. Lakhs after how many? So how many lakhs are there in the question asking? So 10 lakhs are there. Understood? Next. So now I am going to explain how to write the number in international system. How to write the given numbers into international system. Here write the number name for the given number according to the international system. This is a question asking here. Example 3. So what is the question given here? Here question, here number is given like this. When you are writing the number name for this, first you have to write the places here. So here you have to write, copy the number again. Like this you have to write the number. And again you have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Here asking international system means 100,000s also will be there. And next millions and 10 millions. Here ones, tens, hundreds will become ones period after comma, and thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s will be thousands period after comma, and millions and 10 millions in millions period. Here how many millions are there? 73 millions. 73 millions 458,695. Write that, you have to write the number name for this like that. Understood? Okay. I am going to explain another example here. Here all of you see, we are going to write the number name for number name. You have to write the number for the number name. Here number name is given. You have to read the number first. Here what is the number is given? 756,342,000. So for this number, first you have to write the places first. First you have to write the places. What is the highest place here? 756 million. So hundreds million, up to hundreds million you have to write the places. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. First you have to write the places, and according to the places, first start reading the question again. 756 million. So 700 million, 56 million. So 756 million. After you have to put comma. Next 56, sorry, 342. 342. There is here period is not mentioned here, so it will be in ones place. So 342. So here period is not mentioned, means that will be in the ones period. So here thousands period is not given in the question, so you have to fill the thousands period with zeros. So here it is ones place, ones period, the thousands period, this millions period. So 756,342,000, like that you have to write the number. This example, write the numeral for 9 crores 4 lakhs 42. 9 crores. So highest place is here crores. Crores means it is Indian system. So according to Indian system, you have to write the places up to crore. So now I am going to write here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So here what is the crores? What is the number is there in crores? 9 crores. 9 in crores you have to write. 9 in crores you have to write. After that 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs means lakhs plus you have to write 4. Lakhs plus you have to write 4. And 42. 42 means you have to write 4 in tens and 2 in ones. So you have to fill the remaining places with zeros. So here zeros will be there. Ones period after comma, thousands period after comma, lakhs period after comma. So 9 crores 4 lakhs 42. When you are writing the number for this number name, you have to write like this. Understood? Next,